King of Pentacles is a card of stability, material success, and practical leadership. It represents the mastery of the element of earth, and he symbolizes abundance, discipline, and the ability to create a secure and prosperous life. The King of Pentacles encourages you to lead with responsibility, generosity, and a grounded approach to achieving your goals. Let's explore its symbolism and Rider-Waite imagery, astrological associations, and interpretations. The King of Pentacles' general meaning represents the culmination of material success and the wisdom to manage it wisely. He embodies responsibility, discipline, and a deep understanding of how to create and sustain prosperity. This card often signifies material wealth and success, stability and security, generosity, discipline and responsibility, and practical leadership. The King of Pentacles reminds us that true success comes from achieving wealth and using it responsibly and generously. The Rider-Waite depiction of the King of Pentacles is rich with symbols of abundance and stability. The king seated on his throne. His relaxed yet confident posture reflects his mastery over the material world. The pentacle in his hand represents wealth, stability, and resources, which shows his ability to manage and sustain his success. The grapevine cloak, well, his robe is covered in grapes and vines, symbolizing abundance, luxury, and fruitful rewards of hard work. The castle in the background represents his secure foundation and tangible results of his efforts. The bull motifs on the throne symbolize strength, persistence, and a connection to Taurus, highlighting his steady, determined nature. The lush garden, the flowers and greenery around him, symbolize prosperity and harmony with nature. The king's mastery over the material realm, his grounded nature, and his ability to share his abundance. The astrological associations of Taurus and Venus. The King of Pentacles is often associated with Taurus, the fixed earth sign, and its ruler Venus. Some Taurus traits: stability, patience, and a love for comfort and beauty. The King of Pentacles reflects Taurus's determination to create a secure and abundant life. With Venus as the ruler, governing love, luxury, and values, it emphasizes the king's connection to beauty, generosity, and the enjoyment of life's rewards. Through this astrological lens, the King of Pentacles represents the ability to create material wealth, enjoy its benefits, and use it to support others. Some positive interpretations with this card are about material success, practical leadership, generosity, responsibility and discipline, stability and security. While some negative aspects of this card are greed and materialism, instability, stubbornness, lack of generosity, overwork, or imbalance. So who is the King of Pentacles in a reading? King of Pentacles can appear as a person in your life, a person who values stability, hard work, and generosity. It can appear as an aspect of yourself, which is a reminder to balance material success with generosity and care of others. Or it can represent a situation. Maybe it's an opportunity to build a strong foundation or achieve long-term goals. The king's throne is covered in symbols of abundance and fertility and represents his deep connection to the earth's element. The lush garden and grapevine cloak emphasize the rewards of careful planning. The earth element governs material stability and reminds us that true wealth lies in enjoying life's comforts and using them wisely. So how should you read the King of Pentacles? Well, interpreting the King of Pentacles, you need to focus on stability and leadership. Consider its element, earth, and look at it in the context of where it is in the spread. The king's position will clarify whether it's representing a person or an energy, or a specific situation in your life. The difference between the king within the court cards, or the King of Pentacles, represents mastery of material and practical energy. In the suit, the page explores these qualities, while the Knight actively pursues them, and the Queen nurtures them with care and generosity. Kings signify archetypes, or energies, when we compare them to the minor arcana. Unlike the major arcana, the King of Pentacles focuses on personal mastery, instability, wealth, and leadership, whilst the major arcana explores overarching life themes and spiritual lessons. Let's pop some keywords for the King of Pentacles onto the screen for you now. So if you're deep into this tutorial, maybe thinking it's great, but how can I actually make this work in a real reading? Or what do I do if I get stuck? Trust me, you're not alone. I created my tarot courses at Tarot with Imagery. These courses go way beyond the surface that I share here on YouTube. Tutorials here are packed with valuable insight, but they only skim the surface of what you really need to master the true art of tarot readings. How to take all the cards and turn them into a meaningful, accurate, tailored spread for the current. It's not something I can fully cover on a YouTube video. So the King of Pentacles symbolizes stability, material success, and grounded leadership. His association with Taurus and Venus highlights his connection to abundance, patience, and generosity. The Rider-Waite imagery captures his mastery of the material world. It reminds us of the importance of responsibility, discipline, and sharing our successes. Whether representing a person, a mindset, or a situation, the King of Pentacles encourages us to create security, enjoy life's rewards, and inspire others through practical leadership and generosity. The four classical elements, which are fire, water, air, and earth, are foundations of the tarot system's symbolic language. And each element corresponds to one of the suits in the minor arcana, and that represents universal forces and aspects of human experience. Understanding these elements provides profound insights into the cards, the meanings, and the interactions within a reading. Before we wrap up, I want to make sure that you know all about the extra goodies waiting for you at tarotwithimagery.com. Along with my courses, you will find blogs, I've got ebooks, free quizzes to sharpen your tarot skills, and even a free natal chart calculator. Perfect for adding an extra layer of insight to your readings. If you're serious about growing as a reader, or you just want to explore something new, head over to tarotwithimagery.com and check it all out. There's something on there for everyone. Thank you so much for spending this time with me today. Remember, your growth as a tarot reader is a journey, and every step counts. Until next time, happy reading, and I'll see you in the next video.